So to mount a strap loop, obviously take this off the camera. There's two ways to install it. So make sure you install it with the strap loop facing down like this. And then we have two of these tiny screws. Alright, so we have strap loop installed. Now it's the point of strap loop. That would be if you want to use a hand strap like this one here from Peak Design. We also sell this. So you would attach the anchor. Let's put this back on the camera. Okay, so this is how we attach the hand strap. We just loop it through here. Can you see this? Now we have a hand strap installed. Okay, we can always adjust the positioning or the tightness of the hand strap. See how nice this is? Okay, so this is useful because there's really no other way to attach a hand strap to the body because there's no strap loop here in the body. Okay, that's beautiful. All right. And then, we gotta secure this L bracket because it's sliding. So we do it by tightening these screws here, okay? Not a lot of force is needed here. So now it's tight, you can also use it as a handle. Okay.